Just want my son home. It's cold outside. It's been raining. It's been snowing. It's been 7 days. Like, if they know something, then say something.
Then we saw more Ring camera footage of his car jumping the curb. And to me and him, we're like, this is a no-brainer. There's no chance he's not in that water.
Oh, I found it. There's the car.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely... Oh, my gosh.
We just found him. You can see the windows and everything. It might be half buried, that the tire you can kind of see here.
Yeah.
But easy to hook on to a J-hook or whatever to pull it out.
Okay.